Hello, today we're going to do a winter creative activity because winter time is when we get so many lovely citrus fruits. And I'm using a lemon today. You can use grapefruit or orange as well. Any firm citrus fruit will do. And what we're going to do is cut it in half, into two halves, and then mix up some paint. I've chosen some citrusy colours of orange and green. Find yourself a sponge. It doesn't have to be a sponge, an old kitchen sponge I've used before, but you can use a paper towel, something that will absorb the paint. Mix it quite thick so that it makes a nice firm print when you put it down onto the paper. And what I do with how I find it to be most successful is I've actually cut it the night before or a few hours before I want to use it, because it seems to tighten up the surface so that it works more effectively. So the idea is to press until you've got a nice cover on your lemon surface, and then print. You can do a successive set with just one pressing, and you'll notice that it creates a whole a variation of pattern, some more dense and then some more defined, which is rather nice. And on the other one, I'm now going to use orange, and a similar idea. Make sure you press it kind of pretty firmly, make sure the surface is quite flat, that also helps. And then of course you can overlay. Just enjoy yourself with those wonderful citrus patterns and wonderful citrus colours. Let your child just enjoy it and come up with their own design.